Today, millions of people want to make money online, but here is the truth. Most people don't realize. The internet doesn't pay you just because you are online. It pays you for the skill, it pays you for the value, it pays you for the problem that you're solving online. So in this video, I'm going to share you 5 powerful digital skills that you could start learning today that completely change your opportunities in the future and help you build your financial stability using online market. So welcome back to the Digital Mom, where we talk about digital skills, online jobs, and building better opportunities through technology. So let's start with our topic today. The first skill that you should learn in 2026 for you to be able to monetize your online presence, it is social media management. Yes, you get it very well. It is social media management. Almost every businesses today use social media. They use it for marketing. They use social media for selling. Use for social media for customer relations and many other issues that deal with the businesses. But you know what? Most business owners don't have time to manage their pages because of the meetings they have, because of the deals they have to go to. They do not have a lot of time so that they can deal with their social media pages. So social media managers can help with creating posts, with scheduling content, with replying to comments, with growing the audience, with optimizing the engine of the social media platform of a business owner. So this skill, it is high demand, and I could recommend it to anyone who could be wanting to start just monetizing his or her online presence. So look at it. It's not that difficult. It's easy. You can learn it just from the comfort of your home. Okay. The skill number 2 that I want to talk about today, it is content writing. Yes, you get it very well. It is content writing. And you know what? Content writing, it's even the foundation of the internet. If there wasn't content writing, I am not seeing the vision of this internet, because it goes to the script that have been written with the content writers. So business needs writers even for writing for them the blogs, for helping them do the product description, for helping them design the advertisement, for helping them to do the marketing posts, for their websites, for the newsletters, and many other things that needs the business to brand the product using written documents, even for the business deals, even for the contract design and other documentation that are needed within the business. So content writing, it is a deal. If you do enjoy writing and researching as well, because these days, if you are not a good researcher, I'm not seeing your vision in writing, content writing can be something strong that you could start working on while designing your future of online income. Another skill that I want to talk about today, it is graphic design. Yes, you get it very well. Every business needs visuals. Even persons, even people on their own, they need the visuals. So graphic designers can help businesses with creating social media graphics for marketing, for posting, for presents, for business presentation, for demonstrations. They need designs for, anyway, a lot of things to deal with their social media platforms. So social media designers can create social media graphics for the business owners. They can also create designs for advertisements, for presentations, for thumbnails, a lot of things that need visuals, data, they can deal with them. So tools like Canva can make it easier for beginners to start learning design. If you're the person and you think yourself that you could be a designer, I will recommend you to go for the Canva. This is because Canva has a free version that is going to help you have a big price to do your practices, to practice your design posts. Okay, so go for it. The skill number 5 that I would recommend you to look on, it is virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is a deal these days. Virtual assistants help businesses to stay organized. Like this can include like managing emails, like scheduling for meetings, for organizing files, for administrative tasks like scheduling for your boss the time to meet maybe the business owner of the deal that your boss wants, helping in booking maybe for the hotel, helping in booking for maybe the event that the organization is planning to have, and other things that require someone else to be in your presence. So many entrepreneurs hire virtual assistants to save their time, because if you hire a virtual assistant, it's like you are buying another 24 hours of the other person to add on your own 24 hours. So even the business owners, I will recommend you that you start searching for the virtual assistants if you want your business to run fluently. Okay? Yes, so virtual assistantship, please consider that. Another digital skill that I would recommend you to work on in 2026, it is digital marketing. Yes, you get me very well. Digital marketing is the skill of promoting businesses online, making the business be visible online. This includes social media marketing, it includes email lighting and email marketing as well. It includes advertising, it includes search engine optimization, and other things that could help the business be visible online, help the business be searchable and be reachable online, be present online. So businesses invest heavily in digital marketing because it helps them reach customers. Because of course, when you are visible online, you're going to get people to reach on you. You're going to get customers from your visibility online. So consider that too. And I think that you could be asking yourself why digital skills are so powerful in this 2026. Digital skills, they are very, very powerful because they give you a global opportunities. This is why I'm encouraging everyone to have an online hustle. This is because, yes, you are here, you are in Kigali, you are in Nairobi, you are in Cape Town, and you think like you will be serving only people in Cape Town or only people in Lagos or only people in Kigali. No. Why can't you make yourself present for global opportunities? So there is no other way you could make yourself available for global opportunities other than being present online, other than learning a skill that you could serve online, because you're not going to shift your location just like right now and be in California. Okay, so with the right skill, you can work remotely with the whole world. You can freelance, you can build your online business, you can collaborate with international customers, which is the target that I want everyone to hit on in 2026. Try to be that person who could serve internationally. The world is becoming more digital every year. The world is becoming just as small as you could think because of digitalism. Okay, so if you find this video very helpful to you, I would like you to like this video, to comment in the comment section which digital skill that you would like to learn first. Subscribe to the Digital Mom for more videos about digital skills and online opportunities. Until next time, with love from the Digital Mom. Bye.